Hi friends! Welcome to day 7 of 14 days of watercolor joy. Can you believe it? We are officially halfway. 7 days painted, 7 more beautiful days to come. And I'm so proud of you for sticking with this journey. Even if today is your first video, welcome. You are right on time. From here on, we're going to start applying all the things you've learned these past days. The brush pressure, the tone variations, the warm-ups, the circles, the strokes. Today's project looks simple, but trust me, simple does not mean boring. Your Christmas Star practice sheet might look very straightforward, just a star shape, right? But this little shape gives us so much room to be creative. It's like a tiny playground full of possibilities. At first, it feels amazing. Wow, I can decorate this star however I want. But then your brain goes, berries, branches, leaves, gold, pine, bows, lines, colors, all of them. And suddenly you are like, help! I want to use everything. Don't worry, this is exactly why I created these practice sheets. So you can play, try combinations, mix colors, explore ideas without that guilt of wasting paper. These sheets are your safe space, your playground, a place where creativity gets to breathe. Yes, you can copy exactly what I'm painting. That's totally okay. But I want you to also see this start as an invitation to write your own story. Add elements you love. Choose colors that feel like you. Fill the inside with Christmas shapes. Or leave it clean and elegant. Try branches, berries, pine, gold, bows, whatever makes your heart smile. Everything we've learned so far helps with this start. The pressure you practice with the mistletoe, the movement you practice with the wreath, the tone variation you learned yesterday, the difference between loose strokes and detailed strokes. Painting this start becomes a lot easier when you remember those foundation skills. Let's start by playing with color combinations. Maybe a softer green, maybe a deep forest green, or even a cool blue. And instead of classic red berries, what about burgundy? A red wine tone can be so elegant. Warm up by practicing the different shapes on the practice sheet. Get familiar with the movements, the curves, the little strokes. Let your hands settle in. There are so many ways to approach this start, so let's explore a few. A layered start, light tones first. A star defined only by the outside elements, leaves, berries, pine. Or a minimalist version, just 2 or 3 delicate elements and a touch of gold for elegance. Once you know what direction feels right today, grab your watercolor paper and let's begin. Leaves here, a berry there, a tiny pine branch, a line, maybe a bow. Follow your curiosity. Let your brush show you what feels good. You already know I'll never get tired of saying this. Practice and repetition are the pillars of confidence. Not because watercolor requires repetition, but because your hand and your mind build comfort through doing things again and again. That's when the fear disappears. That's when you stop creating my story and start creating yours. And remember, you are not aiming for a perfect start. You are aiming for a joyful experience. The more you explore, the more you surprise yourself. And that moment when you look at your start and think, I made this. That's where the real magic is. Add some gold if you want, or add lots of gold if you really want, or go classic, or go minimal. Your start, your rules. I can't wait to see your stars. Please tag your art with my Christmas brush. I adore celebrating your progress. Whether you gift these cards, frame them, or even sell them, I'm cheering for you. I'll see you tomorrow for day 8. And until then, keep playing.